She believes.
She believes.
She believes, so she could. Welcome to HERizon 1.0, where women don't follow trends, they create them.
Chandigarh University has emerged as one of the best brands of education providers, and I'm very happy that the students have contentment written on their faces. There is no confusion as to which direction they are heading in. There is a sense of commitment in the faculty.
I feel that yes, it is very much committed to celebrating the power and potential of women. The dedication of students here is amazing. It is giving experience to women in different fields, whether it is sports, whether it is academics, whether it's leadership. So it's a great university and it will be contributing much higher in the future.
HERizon 1.0, where she grows, leads and redefines her future. This isn't just an empowerment, this is a revolution at Chandigarh University led by her.